Okay, so here we are looking at example number 3 for Algebra 9-5. So we're factoring here. Now, again, I just want to go over how to show your work. You have two options for how to show your work to get full credit on these questions. Option A is you show the table of factors like we practiced in example 2 there. Or option B is to check your answer using the double distribution, also like we did in example 1, or example 2 technically. You don't have to do both of them. I recommend both because it's going to allow you to get as close to 100 as possible. But I only need one or the other in order for you to get full credit. All right, so jumping into the next example here, our factors that we're looking for are for 36, since that's my constant, that's my last number there. So to my calculator, y equals 36 divided by x. And I know most of us can probably figure these factors out without using the factor table, but the factor table, again, prevents you from making mistakes. So 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9. And now just notice that when we're doing these, I think it's worth mentioning that I'm not mixing and matching. I'm not taking the 2 with the 12 or the 4 with the 12. I'm keeping those pairs together because they have to do both of those things. They have to both multiply to 36. And in this case, we need to add to a positive 5. So just like normal, I'm multiplying up to an x squared to start with. So that tells me my two binomials have to start with that x. Now we're multiplying up to a negative number, which tells me that my signs have to be positive and negative. They have to be two different signs because that's the only way to get a negative answer. Now, adding to this 5 here, 2 and 18. 2 plus 18 is 20, 2 minus 18 is 16. Not going to work. 3 plus 12 is 15, 12 minus 3, 8. Not going to work. Just kidding. 9. Either way, not 5. 4 and 9, that seems to be my ticket one because 9 minus 4 is going to give me 5. 6 and 6, that's going to get me 0 or 12, neither of which are 5. So we can eliminate those choices by kind of going through. So I know I'm going to be using 4 and I know I'm going to be using 9. The next step here is to figure out which one gets the positive and which one gets the negative. If I want to add up to a positive number, that means that I need my larger number to be positive. And again, just a quick double check on that. Negative 4x plus 9x does give me a positive 5x. It never hurts to double check because that will be a silly thing to lose a point on, which is because you mess your signs up.